Create grading periods. To create a grading period, access the Grade Center. Hover over Manage and click Grading Periods. Click Create Grading Period.
Create 2 grade periods. I'm going to create one for spring, and if you hit enter, and it'll submit it, and then you create another one, and I'm going to call this one summer.
For the first half of the semester, and one for the final representing the second half of the semester. Grading Center views exist for a grading period that displays the columns associated with that grading period. To view this, click Filter, hover over the choice list next to the current view. All grading periods will be listed under the heading Grading Periods. Simply select the grading period you wish to view. The Grading Center will be changed to display only the columns associated with the grading period as well as the student's information, which are visible in all views. You can change this view anytime using the menu. If you wish to keep the view set as a default, once you select the view, click Set as Default. Now each time you visit the Grade Center, this will be the default view.
Grading periods are useful when using calculated columns. For an example, create a total calculation column using the grading period to calculate the student's performance during the grade period. This will automatically include all columns associated with the grading period to calculate all grading periods for the first time of the semester. To do this, hover over Create Calculated Column, click Total Columns, type the column name, choose the primary display, make sure it's score. The date section, click on the choice listed next to the grading period. Choose the grading period you wish to use. In selected columns, choose all grade columns in the grading period. In the options, I'll leave the default settings, and then click Submit.
Smart Views and Grading Periods.
Grading periods can be used with Smart Views to display only columns associated with a grading period. A good example of this is when an instructor wants to focus their Grade Center view on a single student in the Grade Center. For this example, from the Grade Center, we'll click Manage, Smart Views, and then the drop-down menu next to the final grade view, and choose Edit. Scroll down to the selection criteria and choose Select Grading Periods only in the Filter Results area. From this list choice, choose the grading period you wish to use. This means when I use a Smart View, I'll see all the columns in this grading period in Smart View only. When finished, click Submit.